Hello grade 8 students. For today, we will be discussing parallel lines cut by a transversal. For our learning target, you should be able to identify the different angle pairs formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. But let's have a short recall first that when we say parallel lines, it is a coplanar lines that do not intersect. In our figure, we have here A is parallel to line B. Now we have three terms here. The first one is transversal, interior angles, and exterior angles. When we say transversal, it is a line that cut across two or more lines. In this given figure, our transversal is line M. When we say interior angles, these are angles between the two lines. In this given example, our interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Next, we have exterior angles. These are angles that are outside the lines. So we have here angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Now, there are different types of angle pairs. The first one is corresponding angles. So, it is formed or it's a pair of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on opposite sides of a transversal. Always remember that corresponding angles are congruent. So, in this given, that line A is parallel to line B with transversal line M, our corresponding angles are the following. We have angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, and lastly, angle 4 and angle 8. Next pair is alternate interior angles. When we say alternate interior angles, these are pair of non-adjacent interior angles on opposite sides of a transversal. Alternate interior angles are always congruent. So in our figure, the two alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 6 and angle 4 and angle 5. Next, we also have alternate exterior angles. These are pairs of non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite sides of a transversal. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. In this given example, our alternate exterior angles are the following. We have angle 1 and angle 8 and angle 2 and angle 7. Second to the last is same side interior angles. These are a pair of non-adjacent interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Always remember that when we see same side interior angles, these are always supplementary. So in our given, we have angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6. If we have same side interior, we also have same side exterior. These are pair of non-adjacent exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Always remember class, when we see same side exterior angles, these are always supplementary. In our example, the same side exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 8. Let's proceed with the following exercises. So let's name the following. What is the corresponding angle of angle 7? The corresponding angle of angle 7 is angle 3. Letter B. What is the alternate interior of angle 6? Alternate interior of angle 6 is angle 3 as well. We have letter C. What is the alternate exterior of angle 7? And that is angle 2. And lastly, what is the vertical angle of angle 1? That is angle 4. I hope this is clear with you. Next exercises. If the measurement of angle 2 is 100 degrees, then what are the measures of all other angles? So in our figure, angle 2 is 100 degrees. We know that angle 3 and angle 2 are vertical angles, therefore, they have the same measure. We also know that angle 6 and angle 2 are corresponding angles, therefore they also have the same measure. And lastly, angle 6 and angle 7 are both vertical angles, therefore they have the same measurement. Next, To find the value or the measurement of angle 1, we just simply subtract 100 degrees to 180 because angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Therefore, the measurement of angle 1 is 80 degrees. We know that angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles, therefore, it is also 40 degrees. As well as with angle number 5, because angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles, therefore they are congruent. And lastly, we have angle 8. Angle 5 and angle 8 are vertical angles, therefore they are also congruent. Next exercises. In the given figure, the measurement of angle 4 is 3x plus 4 degrees, and the measurement of angle 5 is 4x minus 12 degrees. What is the measurement of angle 2? We know that the relationship of angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles, therefore they are congruent. Angle 5 and angle 4 are the same. So we can say that 4x minus 12 is also equal to 3x plus 4. Let's solve for the value of x. So we combine like terms. 4x minus 3x is x, and 4 plus 12 is 16. Therefore, the value of x is 16. But we are not yet done. We are looking for the value of the angle number 2. So to find that, let's find first the value of angle number 4, which is 3x plus 4. We just simply substitute the value of x, therefore it will become 3 times 16 plus 4, which is 52 degrees. We know that angle 2 and angle 4 are linear pair, therefore it forms a 180 degree angle. So to find the value of angle 2, we need to subtract 52 from 180, therefore we have 128 degrees. Our final answer, the measurement of angle 2 is 128 degrees. I hope this is clear with you. Let's have our next exercises. We have here 3x plus 15 degrees angle. We also have 2x degrees angle. We are looking for the missing angle, which is the question mark. We know the 3x plus 15 degrees angle and 2x degrees angle doesn't have any relationship. It is not corresponding, it is not same side interior or exterior, it is also not alternate exterior or interior, it is also not vertical. Therefore, we need to analyze the given problem. As you can see, class, the question mark here and the 2x degrees are corresponding angles. So we can say that the missing angle also measures 2x degrees. And always remember, class, that when we form a straight line, it will always be supplementary. Therefore, when we combine 3x plus 15 with 2x, the sum of the angle will be 180. So in other words, 3x plus 15 plus 2x is equal to 180. We combine like terms, so we will have 5x equals 180 minus 15 and 5x equals 165. We divide both sides by 5, so the value of x is 33. But we are not yet done. We are looking for the value of 2x, not x. So to find that, we just simply substitute. 2x is equals to 2 times 33. Therefore, our final answer would be 66 degrees. The missing angle measures 66 degrees. I hope this is clear with you. Let's solve our next exercises. In the figure below, line A is parallel with line B. Find the measure of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4 if the measurement of angle 2 is 9x plus 9 and the measurement of angle 3 is 7x minus 5. We know that angle 2 and angle 3 are same side interior angles, therefore they are supplementary. So when we combine 9x plus 9 plus 7x minus 5, it will be equal to 180. Let's combine like terms, so we will have 16x plus 4 equals 180. Let's transfer 4 on the other side, so we will have 16x equals 176. Let's divide both sides by 16, so the value of x is 11. Now, let's find the value of the missing angle. Let's find first the value of angle number 2, which is 9x plus 9 degrees. Just substitute the value of x on our expression, so we will have 99 plus 9 or 108 degrees. Therefore, angle 2 measures 108 degrees. Next is angle 3. That is 7x minus 5 degrees. So let's substitute 11 from x, so we will have 7 times 11 minus 5. 7 times 11 is 77, minus 5, which is 72. Therefore, angle 3 is 72 degrees. Now, to find the measurement of the other angles, we just simply need to analyze the problem. We know that angle 2 is 108 degrees, and angle 2 and angle 1 are both vertical angles. Therefore, they are the same. They have the same measurement. Therefore, angle 1 measures 108 degrees as well. And we know that angle 1 and angle 4 are both alternate exterior angles. Therefore, they are also congruent. Therefore, angle 4 is also 108 degrees as well. I hope this is very clear with you. Now, let's proceed with our short assessment. I want you to pause the video for a while and we will reveal the answer afterwards. So here are the answers on our previous exercises. For number 1, the answer is letter B. For number 2, the answer is letter A. For number 3, the correct answer is letter C. Number 4, the correct answer is letter C. And for number 5, the correct answer is letter D. Next, let's solve for the value of x. Given the different figures, solve for the value of x. Pause the video for a while and we will reveal the answers afterwards. So here are the answers on our previous exercises. For number 1, the value of x is 30. For number 2, the value of x is 16. For number 3, x is equals to 8. And lastly, number 4, x is equal to 3. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Do not forget to access your paper accounts and don't hesitate to ask Sir Alex and Miss Ria for further questions. God bless.